to a demo of the new ADHD task breakdown system. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how it works so you can see, and we hope to see you over on the waiting list so you can get yourself early access for this product. So let's jump right in. We're going to press Start Voice Assistant here. Hey.
Hey there. What task are you looking to tackle today?
I need to clean my kitchen, but I'm really overwhelmed.
That's a good one to tackle. How's your energy level right now feeling up for this?
Very low right now.
Got it. Hey, let's start with something super easy. How about you just walk to the kitchen and take a deep breath?
That sounds good.
Just a sec. I've created a task breakdown you can see below. Is this first step still overwhelming, or do you want me to make it even smaller?
That's perfect. I've done that. Can you now reveal the rest of the tasks for me?
Awesome. Hold on a sec. Great job so far. I've added a bunch of subtasks for you. 1. Open the blinds and window for fresh air. 2. Put on some of your favorite music. 3. Gather all the dishes and put them in the sink.
I think all of these things are actually going to take a lot longer than what you've suggested. Please, can you change the time estimates?
No worries at all. What's a more realistic time estimate for you?
Probably double what everything is right now.
Just a sec. All right, I've updated the time estimates. Each step should feel more manageable now. Let's keep this momentum going. What do you want to tackle next?
This is fine. This is perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So then we stop here, and we can also save this task and revisit it later on the left-hand sidebar. This is just a very bare bones version, and the version that will come to you will be even better. So yeah, that's how it works. Hopefully you're excited about that, and you can see how easy it would be to break down a big task, and it takes a load of strain off of your brain and just lets it do all the work for you. It's faster, it's better, and it's easier than what you already do. So there you go. Cheers, guys.